Hey, Papa Taylor. Let me Papa Taylor on my home care. Today I'm working at my home care. Let me pause so that you be kakra. After that, I continue my work. My camera set. Let's go. So most people they want to get married to virgin girls or people who haven't had sex in their lifetime due to these reasons. With my little research, or every day I'm busy is a research now. Mr. Roman found practice it. Don't practice it. Yes, because the mission in America, my research and I made a video. So then I'm going to say, Mosarrow research, so I'm going to do the same now. Just use that my research and now so far research over the conclusion about then you do it for yourself. So the thing is, most people want to marry virgin girls and not virgin guys because of their sexual intercourse when or person only obia on your sex da be worry than so be only obia why sex da be worry due to this reason obia why sex da biana ebia the first time of which ebia na eri or bad mindset about sex ebia na ne de no nya romantically do na de for say mpempi na hyase bia no gase for so ana idipa na catch either unya bad experience and unya good experience. Unya good experience and their life, their sex life na smooth mom. But unya bad experience, first experience, sex life yeah, and your papa sa mom. India, mema do na they want to get in touch with or unya sex experience that so that one the sex life be very healthy. Obi unya sex experience be a repeat. Always be an ordinary sex. Just a more pre and unya obema zunyane in fear 40 so qua America. Sex at the bia mo bepre no. We kakra untimi biom ti untimi satisfy or ban. Ti ebe bibi se enemy kunu ho ba untimi satisfy no eden se mebre. And obia open sex at prayer so mostly here my youth desire for they end up cheating on their husbands. The Bema be a choir or professor of a phobia a virgin to say of phobia why sex pain. And they are say of a virgin and our some other facts behind. Sometimes I am away in media and so na any book be a musintina. On the team research in the as I am a room. And to the facts on Obia 1 year sex the what you are going to teach their experience at the moment. That's what the person is going to be familiar with. It's always there with you. 10 or no or 10 according to say what will be how to say how to swim. The way I see to zoom or dive it train on and one or beginners no ability be home. The sex they are train on how or see pen out train on. That's what they are going to maintain in life with. They no and found say what train so a slow guy. That's what the person is going to adapt to. Timo's life na a check. And yet is as compared to Obia why sex pain. Ebi grana first guy no di can share a hard guy to man hard. But I want to be sharing be a from career. You know, and my sex na imbalance it. Sex life ni na imbalance it. Better say we had to mama as a guy with on yadi or as on yadi na or before every man had young fans especially your ladies be smoothly mobile on be adapted but you be so unadapted. Now even the mindset in I need to get a big one. I need to get because what they need to a man. That's why most guys some prefer some virgin and so make sure you subscribe to this channel. Let's help build the channel like me here more. So maybe your subscription because and also make sure you share this video. Memory section me say yeah see or the account nafa build it. My research and I have for the me who you support the ones and they are called out. Why? So thank you for watching. Make sure you subscribe. Subscription here, me pa. The person Andrew man to end then at least 8 million. 10k subscribers our YouTube channel. So just share the video. I'll be doing video every morning about stories like this. See, so if you like it, just stay with us. Thanks for sharing.